Morning, guys. Half 10, 16th April, UK time, GMT. Okay, looking at the Ripple very quickly. All right, so I was waiting for this neckline to be broken yesterday. Remember, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then dip down to our level over there. This hasn't happened, or still hasn't happened. So, what is the scenario? The more I look at this, I actually see a triangle forming at this level right now, where it is now. So we have a situation where we can have this happening and then shoot up, or we are still playing out this flag that I drew yesterday with our target down here. So we could have this down, our sideways B, and then a dip down to our 140 zone down here at the bottom for our buy opportunity. So either way, it's still looking perfectly in play. Sideways correction could go here. We could dump down to there, and then go. So that's our two scenarios we're looking at for Ripple at the moment. I'm taking a chance that I'm getting it right now in case it's a triangle. If not, I'll wait for it to dip down to 140 zone, and the other half of my portfolio will then be used for buying the Ripple. Okay. Quickly look at others. What's doing Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin. Let me just go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, Bitcoin has broken this channel, which is not looking good at all. So it's actually broken my support at level 1. So this is a bit of a tricky situation. So we could have, well, hoping this is just going to be a 3-wave down to there before it makes a new high, and that's when I'll be selling it. But at the moment, let's see the next half an hour. I've got 20 minutes before this candle closes, so I want to see will it stop there, bounce up, and support all my other cryptos. So it would be good. But yeah, it's not looking good when it breaks a channel like that. Quickly look at Ethereum. Yesterday, I said to you guys, please get out. We got out. There's my blue box. We got out there. Remember, I keep talking about 2,500 zone as a target. Well, it played out perfectly. It just broke above it, and that's when it started tanking. Okay, so perfect exit on our Ethereum yesterday. So good job there. Litecoin still very strong actually. It is literally touching my blue box where the 300 target was. It is literally, I think, 5 points, 295 or something like that, 296, just shy of 300, and then it started going down. I have closed mine a long time ago already, so it doesn't matter. But it does mean that this is definitely top of our. So let me get rid of that. If I just move my account, it's definitely top of wave 3, doing a wave 4 now, and then we should have another wave 5. That is what I'm hoping is going to happen because this is a long wave 3, so it might work out unless this is the end and it goes like this for a big correction and then up again. But for now, we're out of it perfectly, so well done.